So we're going to shift gears now, and before we get into more of the challenges and deployment examples, we thought it would be helpful for you to see how you could use a voice-controlled wearable, like the RealWear HMT that you see in the picture here, and have that used across two of these use cases, that remote guidance and that digital workflow. So you'll see a step-by-step guidance. You'll see some human sensor components where data is collected in the field digitally, and then you'll see that remote expert assistance. So it's now my pleasure to introduce Mark Van Pelt. And Mark has worked with many enterprises on their wearable deployments over the past couple of years. He's going to demonstrate as though he's a field worker. He's going to be wearing the RealWear HMT, he's wearing the Cube, and you're going to see Mark go through a work instruction, escalate to bring in a remote expert, capture data, and really take you through those two use cases. So over to you, Mark.
Okay, hello everybody, Mark here, but I am going to be Tom Tech as soon as we come up here. And I'm wearing my HMT, and I'm going to now go through a work instruction for an inspection. So let's go ahead and get started. New job. Next page. Select item 2. All right, we're going to go ahead and get started. Start job. Other. Step complete. And we need to get the asset tag here, scan barcode. Scan barcode. Grab that tag. All right, data's input. Step complete. Yes, I have the tools. Yes. And let's see. Oh, I can tell right now that video is of a different piece of gear. Oh, I've got a newer model. Oh my. I wonder what I should do. I know my boss is in a call right now with my partner at another site. But maybe since they know it's me and I'm new at this, they'll answer my call. Let's see what happens. Request help. Okay, Onsight came up. Let's go ahead and start our Onsight. Select item 2. Okay, here comes Onsight. So let's see if we can get these guys to help us out here. Hey, John, I know you're in a call with Mike over there, but I'm having a problem, and I have a few issues, but the video wasn't very clear for me. Seems this entire piece of equipment is cold, and I'm not sure where I should find the heat sources. I know you're wearing your Cube today. Can you guys help me out and kind of show me where I should expect it? Sure. Okay, I'll hang on while you switch that to thermal. Okay, yep, you got your Cube there. I see it. Let me go on. We'll wait for you to switch that over and see if we can get a clear image of what's going on here. Okay, all right, let's see. Yep, that looks like the same tank. Oh, I can tell right away that there are some differences here. Let me go ahead and pause this because I can tell you right now on this particular unit, that spot is cold and there's absolutely no heat here on the top. You know what, since you guys are both my superiors, I think you both need to make a mark on this so that I can see and show everybody that that is the case. Boy, that green one's a little bit dark there, so let's see if we can get a little bit better color on that so it'll show up. Excellent. Hey, you guys want to take a picture of that for your records? And I could take it on my HMT, but I want to make sure it gets into the big workspace, so go ahead and take a picture of that. Awesome, guys. Hey, I appreciate that, and I think now I know exactly where I should be looking, and great. Yes, indeed. Okay, if you want, you can go ahead and back, and there's one other thing I'd like you to show me. If you want to go back to the regular Cube, up at the top, I've got the same issue. Yeah, if you would, point up there towards the top, and again, I believe one of those should be a lot hotter. Okay, one more. All right. Yep. If you want, I appreciate that. Show me that thermal, and we'll take a look at that. All right. So definitely the one on the left, and I do not have any heat there. Oh, guys, this has been very, very helpful. I do really appreciate that. And if you want, you can actually go ahead and drop me out of your call. I'm really happy you picked up on it, and you guys can proceed. So, okay, thanks. We'll finish up the workflow and take the appropriate pictures and videos, and at the end, all of that will be up in the workspace for you guys to analyze further or send out if you need to. Thanks again. Bye-bye. All right, so now that we got the help that we need to get back to our workflow, navigate back. Okay, so let's get back here and step complete. Step complete. We can move on. All right, so let's do our workflow here. Launch camera. Launch camera. And we need to get a couple of shots here of the cold piece. Take photo. Okay, we've captured that. Step complete. Step complete. And record video. And we're going to get a couple of minutes here, a couple of seconds of this item. And we know that both of these should be hot, but they are cool right now. And okay, start recording. I think that's going to do what we need. Start recording. And that should give everybody enough information for what they're going to need to accomplish. Stop recording. Excellent. Okay. Step complete. And we need to go over to the gauge here, and let's see that gauge. Let me climb over here to it, and it looks like it is reading 7.5. 7, oh, keyboard. 7.5. Accept. Okay, let's see. That looks like we've got everything that we need. Oh, what am I talking about? This program will tell me if I'm done or not. Step complete. Okay, that was the last step. Now let's see what we got. View report. Okay, looks like we've got the data. Excellent. Okay, I think the job is done. All of that data will be up in the workspace for John Expert and my colleague Bill and Mike all to look at, and then I'll be experienced now when I go out and do my job again. Awesome. Thanks, everybody.